You become what you think of. You are what you do. You are what you think of yourself. Have you heard like this quotes many a times? And this is backed by medical science. I was amazed. I used to think this is all just motivational quotes, but when I came across the concept in the medical science of psychoneuroimmunology or psychoneuroendocrinoimmunology, PNI or PNEI, you can Google it. I was amazed. There is actually a scientific backup to say you become what you think of, or you become what you do, you become what you think of yourself. It really has a deep rooted meaning. So the PNI concept, psychoneuroimmunology, says that what we think of ourselves and others is really what we get in our life. So if we are thinking sad thoughts, negative thoughts, and the emotions are low, then we pull down our immunity, we pull down our healing mechanisms in the body, because there are stress hormones released which are not allowing the repair mechanisms, the detoxification process happening in the body. So the moment if such a damage is happening by the low emotions or the sad emotions, so just imagine the positive emotions can bring about a positive impact. So this PNI concepts talk about the mental rehearsal. See, the mental rehearsal, whatever we are thinking, whatever we are feeling, really impacts what we are getting in our reality, in our physicality. So if the mental rehearsal is causing all this, who has the power to change it? If you can actually think what I have to think, you can think what I have to do, the mental rehearsal. So just start observing. It's mostly the negative, it's mostly the stress, the worry, the hurry, right? If we can just change our mental rehearsal into the positivity, what we really want. I want to be healthy, I want to be fit, I want to be at my perfect weight, I want to be healthy, I want to be free of medicines, I want to get cured of illness, I want to have lots of love in life, I want to have the dream career. So this is what we want, right? So let's start rehearsing that in our minds, because when we start rehearsing that, that's when our genes and our immunity help us. Our genes start helping us, and our mind, the power of mind, the mind really starts thinking, oh, this person is rehearsing these things, let me start thinking how I have to get all these things to this person, right? So the power of mind is so mind blowing, that whatever we are thinking, it is ready to give us. But the question is, what are we thinking? We are thinking what we want, or we are thinking what we don't want. So let us consciously start thinking. Let's consciously choose our thoughts and make an attempt to think what we want, all the good things in life and all the positivity around us, without any doubt. All the best.